Oh my god, so many people, I'm feeling nervous. Okay. A lot has changed in the world in past few decades. We put a man on the moon, we invented the computers, self-driving cars, Internet of Things, and whatnot. You would be thinking that we made all these progress because we had solved our basic problems long way back. Well, no. Take for example my home country. More than 800 million people in India do not have access to basic sanitation facilities. That's 800 million people without a toilet. It is more people than the population of United States and European Union combined. Most women and girls in India have to walk a distance, which is equivalent to 15 football stadiums, to find a place to relieve themselves with the least possible compromise to their dignity. Which also means that they will not take this trip more than once or twice a day. They learn to hold it. Builds character, right? And even then, what they find is something unmaintained with no running water and no system to dispose of the waste. We at Sukriti have developed a smart public toilet. It is automated to be self-cleaning and self-maintaining while consumes only 10% of the water. It treats and reuses the waste on-site and works on renewable energy. We call it the ecological latrine or simply the EcoLed. We have already deployed them at 32 different locations in northern India and are now ready to take it nationwide. Dearest guest, we are taught to believe that to change the world, we need to develop some rocket that can take us to space, or maybe some medicine that can cure for cancer. But sometimes, all it takes is a well-functioning toilet. In last 2 minutes of my speech, at least 6 children would have died somewhere in India due to poor sanitation. How many more will die? It's up to us. What are you going to do to make your next 2 minutes count? Thank you and namaste.